Gadgets we all love and we adore Apple gadgets a lot. Yes, we adore Apple's gadgets a lot. And when we say Apple, then first gadget which comes in our mind is either the Apple's iPhone or Apple's MacBook out there. So today we are going to talk about Apple's MacBook Pro out here and especially A1286 out there. But before we specifically talk about A1286, let us first talk about MacBook and what is MacBook specialized features or why is MacBook so popular out here? Yes. First, let us talk about this and what are the reasons why it was very, very popular out there. Or we can say uh, users used to love this gadget. The main functionality or the main reason was its eco-friendly thing out there. Yes, the eco-friendly report it had, the eco-friendly nature it had. That was the main reason behind the audience love showered on Apple's MacBook Pro series. Yes, the Pro series, entire Pro series. Now, what was it having? It was having a great display, not just the screen size. I'm not talking about just the screen size, but the display it has. It was a mercury free display out there involving arsenic free glass. Yes, you get to have arsenic free glass also. So, mercury free display, arsenic free glass. So, this gives a very good combination. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant also had PVC free as well as BVR free resolution and display out there. So these were also very specified things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can see that this variant offers you a great range of packaging. Yes, a packaging can be of a variety of range, we can say. It can be dense packing, it can be light packing, it can be very complex packing. But it was a reduced, compactable, and a eco-friendly packing. Now, what does this mean? This clearly means that the packing it had was actually involved in a different version. That it was a reduced packing. There was not much of the packaging involved, as well as the enclosure it used was a polycarbonate enclosure, which are recyclable. Yes, these were recyclable. So these are the few reasons why this kind of a version was very popular out there back then when it was released. And even today, if we talk about MacBook Pro, then these things are kept in mind. Yes, these things are kept in mind. Apart from that, if we talk about the other functionalities, that is the keyboard type, we will talk specifically about the keys also, but overall, if we talk about the keyboard type, then it has a compact keyboard out here involving a good range of keyboards, which involves you around 64 to 65 keys, depending upon the variant. US variant had 64 keys out there with 12 functional keys, 4 arrow keys, with altered T structure out there. Whereas you get to have iOS version with 65 keys, with 12 functional keys and 4 arrow keys with the altered T functionality. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant, MacBook Pro, had got a touch variation in the mouse control. Yes, if we talk about the mouse control, then you get to have a flattened square part out on the keyboard place, which gives you a mouse control. That is a multi-touch control out there, giving you scroll keys out there, movable keys, cursors out there, double click, right click, left click, selection process. Everything could be done with that multi-touch part. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got a jack system. Is it has got a jack system which was mainly for the audio purpose. That was mainly for the audio purpose out there, as well as you get to have a charging slot out there that is known as mega safe charging slot or the mega safe charging port out there, or the power point out there. You can say power port out there, anything you would like to say to that version. It also have USB charging ports out there. Yes, USB charging ports can be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, you also get to see that it has got 4 different ports out there for different purposes, which are either for the pen drives, hard drives out there involving any kind of a version. We also see that these kind of variants offers you uh, you can say camera quality, which is really nice, and you get to see that the camera placed out here is a inside camera out there. Yes, you get to have a mini display port out there, which is an inside camera out there. Apart from that, you also need to see that Apple's MacBook Pro series have this kind of a specifications. Yes, this is an overall specification of MacBook Pro out here. So let us now talk about specifically of MacBook Pro A1286. Yes, let us specifically talk about this variant. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that the internal processing system involved, the internal processor involved in this version in A1286 is Intel Core i7 out here. Yes, Intel Core i7 is used internally. Now, this kind of a processor is generally used for the second generation processing system. Yes, you get to see this kind of a processor in the second generation process or the second generation models out there. This also offers you a good screen size, which is of 15.4 inches display. Yes, the diagonal, if we talk about diagonally, if we check about the display, then it is 15.4 inches display out here, offering you a good RAM quality of 4 GB. Yes, it offers you a RAM quality of 4 GB. These are overall specifications, major specifications which you check out in every gadget. You also get to have 500 GB HDD out there. Yes, 500 GB HDD along with Mac OS X Lion out here. Yes, this is the Mac OS X Lion operating system inbuilt in it, or the software used in it. If we talk about the Mac Pro series, then they are a notebook series. Like it is an not a you can say a notebook, but a flap open kind of a book out there. Yes. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that you get to have this Intel Core i7 out there, which is a second generation process out there. But it does not mean that it is just a second generation process. It is actually the seventh generation process. If we talk about the continuous series, then we can see that Intel Core 1 i1 was starting, and i7 is the seventh generation. But after a specific period of time, or you can say after 2010, these kind of models were known as second generation process. When we talk about this RAM functionality, then 4 GB RAM is quite a good variant out here, not a bad variant. If you have 500 hard disk capacity, like the hard disk is 500 GB, so these are really good. Since we have said about the resolution, we can say that it offers you a good resolution, and the native resolution about this variant is 1440 into 900. Yes, 1440 into 900 is the native resolution it gives. You can definitely change out this resolution according to your willingness, or according to your variety. You can change it out. But yes, when we talk about, we always say about the standardized keyboard, which we have already discussed, that it has 64 and 65 depending upon the variant where it is to be released out, and 12 functional keys and 4 arrow keys out there. Yes, apart from this, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this kind of a variants are really important out, not just for one purpose, but for n number of purposes. Like we talk about the video quality, and we can see the great videos out there, audio quality out there. uh, Sometimes it happens that we always not connect the 3.5 mm jack, or we do not connect the jack system out there in the system, our PCs, laptops. Then yes, it has got stereo type speakers out there. You can definitely try out the stereo type speakers. Apart from that, when we talk about the audio quality, then we can say that the audio quality has got jack system as well as normal stereotype speakers. But we have got the microphones, and this microphone is actually omnidirectional. What does this omnidirectional mean? Omnidirectional clearly means that you get to have your variants, you get to have your versions, and it will be in one direction. Yes, whatever you speak is going to be in the one direction. It's like if you speak, the other person is going to hear. If the other person is speaking, then you get to hear this. It is not that you will also hear what you are speaking, another will also hear what you are speaking. This is not this kind of a version. Yes, this is something like you speak, other hears, other speaks, you hear. This kind of a work. Apart from that, when we talk about the video quality, then we can say that the video quality is supported with a good resolution, which we have already discussed. And it offers you a FaceTime HD camera. Yes, we already said that it has got a mini display port which has a camera inbuilt in it. That is the eyesight camera, we can say, offering you a good camera quality of FaceTime HD allowance. Yes, it has FaceTime HD allowance out there. Apart from that, when we talked about the keyboard, we can say that the keyboard point or the keyboard place had got few specifications, like it has got ambient light sensor out here, as this is also seen out there. Apart from that, we know there are few jack systems in the charging slot, display point, thunder points out there. There are various things which we can see. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then you get to see that the box, or the when we uncover this box, unreveal this box, then you get to have a good storage of your adapter, your USB type out there, your handset, and a user manual. These are the things you get to have in the box, unrevealing of this box when you do. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, it offers you a great battery life and offering you around 83 to 84 volts charging approximately. But it offers you 10 hours work time. That is really good. Yes, you get to have 10 hours work time. It's really amazing out there for this variant. Now let us talk about this variant's pricing also, because offering you these kind of specifications are important as well as necessary for the variants which offer you a pocketable rates. So let us talk about a site which offers you a great pricing for this. The site name is justclick.com. Yes, the site name is justclick.com, and here you get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great you can say pricing, as well as this offers you a great range of products. So I'm typing Apple MacBook Pro A1286 out here, and this is 15.4 inch screen size, which we were talking already about. When we talk about this product, we can say that this product is offering you something very exciting, that is really great specifications. Yes, you get to have see great specifications. Like when we see Apple MacBook Pro A1286, which we were discussing, 15.4 inch screen size laptop, Core 1. i7 out there, with bag free. Yes, you get to have a bag also with this gadget. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a small description box given out here, which helps you to check the specifications of that gadget which you are looking for. As well as you get to see that this device has a condition called refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished product, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, only the difference lies out in the pathway, and nothing is, they have actually the same pathway used out. Whereas when we talk about brand new, that is extremely from the company, that is the base. It is from that itself. Whereas the refurbished are from a pre-owned users. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadgets, but does not mean they have been defected, they are not being checked. They are checked out. In fact, they have been tested, verified, everything is done out there. As well as when we talk about refurbished product and brand new products, the difference lies out in the passage, in the pathway, we can say. Like we say, every gadget follows a pathway, which is a base, mediator, and the consumers. Yes, base is nothing else but the company or the owner of that gadget. Yes, for the brand new, it's always the company. For base, it's always the company out there. But for refurbished product, we can say that the base becomes the user, because whichever person or whichever marketplace or anything which owns that gadget is the base. Mediator is always the same, the marketplace. Now this marketplace is a vast marketplace. It can be anything, an online site, an offline site, multiple steps marketplace, everything includes a marketplace. And the consumers are us, we are the consumers out here who are actually doing nothing else but checking out the products, buying them like this. So now talking about brand new, brand new's pathway is this, that we have a company, which originally brings out every new gadget. Then it is released out in the marketplace, and from the marketplace, we as a user have that gadget. Now, when we have this gadget, what happens? Now we are the owner, we are the sole owners of this gadget. So this has been pre-owned. Yes, now this gadget is pre-owned, and this pre-owned gadget is now refurbished. Now when we come, now this user, we becomes the base for the refurbished gadget. What happens now is that now we are owning this pre-owned gadget. Now we want to resell it. So we resell it and we bring it back to the marketplace. It tests it, verifies it, whether it's good in condition or not. Everything, whatever the company has stated, is having all the specifications or not. Everything is being stated out there. After that, what happens? After that, it is absolutely rechecked and is brought under the category of refurbished for reselling purpose. And now another user, not the same user, but another or different user have this gadget. Yes, this is the whole pathway involved. Now, when we talk about pathways, we have been very clear about the pathway. That company से users तक का brand new pathway होता है, and whereas user से new user तक का refurbished gadget हो जाता है. What are the parameters involved? If we talk about the parameters, there are n number of parameters specifications involved in a gadget for refurbished products. These parameters includes the external and internal functions. Yes, when we talk about external functions, then external functions includes the external things which we can see through our eyes, like the size of that gadget. Yes, if we are talking about laptops, then we can say that the laptop size is good or not, it has scratches or not, the back cover or the back screen is good or not. If it is non rotational, then how is it? If it is rotational, it is rotating fully or not out there. If it's 360, how is it doing out? Keyboards, yes, the buttons on the keyboard, the print on that keyboard, everything has to be checked. The buttons intactness, yes, the buttons, they are actually working properly or not, that has to be checked. As well as we check out that whether the gadget is offering you all the functionalities, like if it has a 3.5 jack or the jack system in it, it is working or not, USB is working in this or not, power button, or even the charger out there which is given with this is working good or not. If it is a camera version, like if it has a camera, then the camera is working or not, if it's giving a good quality picture or not out there, connectivity is going well or not. Like these are the external factors. Connectivity comes under the internal factors, but we are just in general telling you externally, whichever you can see. If you talk about the mouse, whether it is having a mouse or not, if it's connecting with that or not, everything. And now when we talk about these external factors, these are checked out with a very advanced or the experts out there. And after once it is checked out, yes, once it's checked out, then we go to the internal factors. Internal factors involves yours, like or whether it's giving a good connectivity, RAM quality, internal processing is going well or not, because internal functionality is must, because these are the things which need to be not just checked with the experts, but with a testing tool also, and we need specified equipments to test them. Each and every function, whether it's related to its core processor, its internal processors out there, its battery life, or the internal elements involved in it, whether it's connectivity out there, whether it's speaker out there, it's microphone out there, you talk about its storage, data connectivity, anything you talk about, any gadget in any phone or in any laptop, all the functions which a company states or the brand states has to be checked out. So in short we can say that refurbished and brand new products, testing, structure, functionality, everything is same. Yes, they are absolutely same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway. Brand new products are absolutely untouched, they are new, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, they are once pre-owned gadgets now. After testing, what happens is they are now in good quality, they are good for the service out there, so you get to have these products. Now when we talk about refurbished products, why we are talking about them? Do they offer you any advantage over brand new? Yes, it offers you few advantages, benefits out there. Number one is the pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have your favorite gadgets under pocketable rates. So this is one of the most amazing feature out there. That pocketable rates are there. You avail your favorite gadgets, your favorite laptops, mobiles, your favorite screens, any gadget out there in your pocketable rates. Now, what does this pocketable rate helps you out? It helps you to save up to a great savings. Yes, you get to save a great savings out there. How? When we talk about brand new products, we know that these are quite expensive out there because they are new launches out there. So they are slightly expensive. Whereas when we have this refurbished product, they are slightly, we can say, cheaper than the brand new ones. Or we can say they are quite pocketable, in short, we can say that. So you get to save a great amount of savings. Since we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, but refurbished hair has a good advantage, or you can say a good function in this, that it offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, generally it happens that pre-owned gadgets do not offer you any warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, you get to have 6 months warranty also. You get to have a 6 months warranty period along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with that. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished gadget. So now when we talk about this gadget, let us go back to the site where we were talking about from where we came to hear this refurbished word. So talking about this website, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name is justatclick.com. Here you get to have your favorite laptops or your favorite gadgets. This site is especially for the laptops. Yes, this site is especially for the laptops, so you all can check out this website. On Google, you have to type and just at click.com. That's the website name out here. I have highlighted the website name, or you can go in the description box. There is a link. You can click on the link also. This search icon helps you to search your specified gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about this site, we can say that this site offers you a great range of uh, savings, as well as it offers you free home delivery. Yes, free home delivery. There's money back guarantee, which I already told you, 7-day exchange policy. And now when we talk about free home delivery and COD is also available out here, as well as you get to have top categories, or there are the categories out here mentioned for the laptops out here, your laptop gadgets out there. You can check out from these reputed companies, these reputed brands out there. Now let us talk about the shipping timing also. In most parts of UAE, it takes up to 48 hours shipping timing, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. So you can definitely check out the website for your delivery area. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe it, because here you get all the latest information for your gadgets out there and the best pricing for your latest devices. So justatclick.com is a place where you get your favorite laptops in your favorite affordable pricing. Yes, the best market price out here for the best pricing. Till then, take care.